Hey YouTube, welcome. This is DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel, and let's jump right into it because we have a potential trade that's starting to happen. And all I'm trying to do is I'm actually trying to front run this big order. He's been there for a while. Okay, I've actually been sitting here for a while, probably once price came here. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get one tick. I want the ask to be here, the bid to be here. I want to get filled here, and then automatically I put a sell order in. It's all done via the bracket to buy them back. And I'm trying to do 6 ticks, or sorry, 1 tick with 6 contracts. So there we go. We get filled, and then we actually sit there, and it never goes above, right? So we kind of made that double top. Use that as a support level or a resistance level, okay? And we saw I got filled on 6. It pulled right back. I kind of got that 1 tick. That's all I'm looking for. And my stop was just on the other side. So I was literally risking 2 ticks to make 1. I get that it's off, like, so on 6 contracts, I just made $12.50 a contract. That's $75, right? But if I only need 1 tick, right, on 6 contracts, it's 75. I was risking 150 if it blew through. But these big orders usually act as a resistance level. And think of it this way, right? The big order was right here at that double top, right? So all I wanted to do was get filled 1 tick below. Boom, it fills me, pulls right back, just that pause, and I got filled. So it's a great scalping technique. Now, sometimes you'll see big orders pop up out of nowhere. Sometimes they're real, sometimes they're not real. But I just want to do a quick video to show you guys real quick how you could make, you don't need big moves to make money, right? So again, 6 contracts for 1 tick. I know it's not burning down the house like other YouTubers where they're making $50,000 a day and all that. I'm more of a realist trader, right? It's like, hey, trade within your own comfort zone. Trade what is right for you. So, but for me, I like it. Think of it as you're playing a hand of blackjack, and that's essentially it. I'm looking for get me in, get me out, let me get my 1 tick, make my money, and walk away. So again, $75 real quick. And of course, we got minus commissions and all that. But if you have low enough commissions, it comes out to what, $9-10 a trade, or per contract. So just remember, you're only getting 1 tick, so you do have commissions. But look at how we're kind of stalling here, right? Now, I won't be surprised to see it just fill and then do that pop right up, right? So thank God it happened after I got filled, right? Not before. So again, it's learning the markets. Learn one thing, know it very well. You can become very successful and understand how that market works. And look at this, potential divergence setting up, right? So if we kind of break below, I would maybe look for that same 23 level to get short, right? If we kind of broke here, we have what I call a reverse waterfall. If we broke down, okay, with this divergence, then I would maybe look for a kickback up around that 23.25, 23.50, and my stop would go 1 tick above. This is a lot of the trading that I do. I have other videos on it, but again, just a quick something else to have in your toolbox for when the market's slow, going sideways. I hope you guys enjoy this trade. If you're new, welcome. Make sure I missed the whole intro early, so let me get it in now. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. But as always, thank you for watching the channel, supporting, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.